Hey everyone, while removing the seats for my E36 BMW, I encountered a big problem. The seat was all jammed up and it was stuck in one place. There was no way for me to move the seat forward or backward. As you can see, I removed the piece. Here's another angle. This is what I did. I fit the drill into this piece to turn the motor and the mechanism back and forth. So here's the problem. Unable to see the bolt that I need to use to remove the seat. So I had to come up with the process while watching a video on YouTube where I had to use my drill and this way I can move the motor. See, now you can see the bolt underneath. It's coming. It was a very difficult process. If I hadn't used the drill made the process much easier. As you can see, it's slowly moving, but it's still moving faster than. So guys, there are 4 bolts. One of them is right there. The second one is right there. Third one is over here. As you can see, I'm unable to get to it. And then the fourth one is right over on the other side. You get the message right there. There you go. So what you need to do is move this motor and that tool to allow the seat to move, so I had to use that mechanism to move the seat up and back.